Hi guys, so in this video we're going to learn how to change your Facebook name in 2024. So let's jump right straight into the video. So you launch the Facebook app, then you visit the menu button at the bottom right corner. Next you scroll down to find settings and privacy. Next you click on settings. Next you click on see more in account center. Next you click on profiles. Next you click on Facebook. Next you click on your name. So this is where you could change your Facebook name. Also, we have a special paid content for you, especially if you advertise on Facebook or you're a business owner, or you also want to keep your account safe in case you have any issues or restrictions on Facebook and you want to increase your chances of getting your issue resolved and attended to. So kindly watch that video. It's going to help you to comply with Facebook best practices in using your real name and updating your name on Meta. So kindly refer to the next video that's going to show up on your screen. Bye and see you in our next video.